What's up, online shoppers? This is an absolutely powerhouse little cordless vacuum that I was gifted by the brand, and I'm super excited to open it up and give it a try. From what I've read, it is going to be awesome. It comes really well packed, and yes, some assembly required. Power canister and the power head, the instruction manual, the wall mounting plate, the charge cord, and some cleaning accessories. Here's the difference maker on this little vacuum, and that's one of the reasons I was so excited to receive it. It actually is bendable. So you can snap it in place like this, but you can also operate it this way, attached to the power head. Let's attach them just like that. A little snap and a click. Canister goes on just like that. There's the full vacuum assembled like that. Let's talk about why the design of this actually excites me. So first of all, what I love about this is that everything is all connected or attached. So this here is a cleaner brush that attaches. You can actually take the head off, and when you depress the little button here, it extends, and then this will fit into the end here. So you've got your little cleaning brush, and then you just collapse it down. It's nice and small. This also is a great little tool for getting into the corners, and again, it's going to connect either here. You can also connect both of these right here. Two power modes. If you use it on the regular mode, you've got 40 minutes of runtime on one charge, and charge is 4 hours, which means you probably can get a pretty decent sized portion of your house vacuumed inside that 40 minutes. Now, if you want super power, which means like more sucking power, you're going to put it into the turbo boost mode, and that's going to give you 20 minutes of runtime. So again, if you're looking to get a really dirty area cleaned really quick, definitely opt for that higher boost power. Now, another thing that's pretty cool is the head here has a built-in LED. For me, that's a game changer because nothing illuminates the dust like an LED right down here on the head. Great to make sure you get all those things that your feet find afterwards and go, oh, darn, I missed that. Now, something about this brush, which makes it pretty awesome, it's a dual purpose attachment. So yes, you definitely have the brush here, but you also have a crevice tool. So you can stick this down into places you can't get your fingers and suck all that garbage out. The next thing I want to show you is actually the display. So I'm going to just disconnect this from the wand so that we can get a close-up of it. Basic touch controller right here. That is your power right there to turn it on and off. Now you see how it started off at 100% and then went down to 50? This is actually your charge indicator. So it's only charged at 50%. So this is definitely going to need to be plugged in for a charge. This is indicating that it's at regular power. So like the standard level 1. Now if I press the plus minus, you can hear it rev up. And that is the high power suction mode. So you can also see that this has lit up here. If I want to go back to the regular mode, I just do that, and you can see that it dropped back down here. And then to power it off, I just press it like that. And now let's do a little demonstration so you can see how well this guy works. I've got some rice here. Oops, I spilled. So let's turn this on and get it going. Now, you can see that it's got a really nice LED that lights up the area. No problem. On low speed, picking up the rice and the other stuff that's all over my floor. Now let's put it on high speed. You've got great suction. Now you can see also right here how nice that little LED illuminates the area where I am vacuuming. That is super convenient too. Now, before I show you how easy it is to empty this, watch this. Look at that. Now I have bent maneuverability. I love that it has a swivel head. You can see how easy it is to move with that hinge as well to work so that I can get under things if I want to. Let's take this off just like that. So here we have the canister. You can see the rice is inside. And as far as emptying goes, that's also pretty straightforward. When we flip this over, we see there's a little latch right here. And all you have to do is do that to open up your container. You can see you've got all of the debris trapped inside. And then all you have to do is just empty it into the garbage can. Close that up and you are good. I should point out too that this here is a little HEPA filter, which is great for reducing the dust that gets put back into the air when you are vacuuming. And if you want to know where the charging is, right here you just slide this little button back, put your plug in here, and that's where you'll charge it up for 4 hours. so you can use it again at full strength. This is a pretty awesome little vacuum. I love the dual purpose brushes. I love the jointed hinging of the vacuum cleaner. That makes it super versatile for cleaning in all kinds of different situations. The fact that it's cordless means that I can use this to clean my car, clean my boat, just as easily as I can use it to clean my house. As far as storing goes, it's got this great little mounting plate, and we can even attach our pieces so that I don't have to worry about where my pieces went. They are right here attached to the holder where it goes on the wall. Emptying the dustbin, super easy. This is a fantastic little vacuum. It didn't struggle to pick up the rice and the dust on the floor. Absolutely happy with this. I'm certain that this is going to be a family favorite at our house.